Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So first, we have to open our Google browser. So we're into it. So we could see there's a YouTube app right here. I'm going to click it here. And we just opened our YouTube and we could see there's a recommendation videos here. So I'm just randomly going to select one of them. And we could see here's the three dots and I'm going to click it here. So we could see there's a lots of options here and we have to just tap into here, don't recommend channels. So I'm going to click it here. And for further, we have to open another Google browser and we just have to type Chrome Web Store and enter it. And just tap on the top one. We just opened our Chrome Web Store. So we could see here's a search extension and themes. So I'm going to type here YouTube channel blockers and just click it as well. So we could see here the channel blocker right here with the black font. I'm going to click it here as well and add to Chrome and add extension as well. And now it's downloading, so let's wait for some seconds. So we just added channel blocker into our Chrome. So let's click into this YouTube right top here and just refresh it here. So to block channels, we just simply have to click into this cross button. We could see here and here as well. So to say the block channels, we simply have to click on the right corner. We could see here this button. I'm going to click it here on extensions. And on the last here, there's a channel blocker right here. So I'm going to click it here. So we could see here that this channel Sachin, which is blocked. And so whoever you block the channels, it will just come right here. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and please don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment down below as well.